grader, here to inform you on some pretty cool things going on. We got conferences. Yeah, cool spin move. Conferences happen twice a year. That's a lot. You get your parents and the teachers in a room, and you get this thing. Who knows what's in it? Whatever you put in there, and your parents are like, wow, that's so cool, child of mine. And it's just a great time, except when it's not, when you don't do your work. Hi, I've been here for 3 years, working on this portfolio tirelessly, day and night. Blood, sweat, and tears have went into this. And you know, I'm really proud of it. Sometimes I might just get nervous to show it to my parents, but then I do, and they're like, wow, you're the best son ever. We're so proud of you. And I just feel great. If you want to see my portfolio or any of the other super crazy, wacky, cool work that AMS has been doing, come to our upcoming open house. Goodbye, y'all!